Hello people! Good day! So kahapon nagpunta kami sa Torrey Pines Glideport. Ayan. Sa may La Jolla. And ang ganda ng view doon. May coffee shop, may trail and all. And kahapon kasi hindi kami prepared dahil yung suot naming damit is hindi naman siya pang hiking. So babalik kami ngayon and ready na kami sa suot namin. Dala-dala ko na yung rubber shoes ko and all. So yeah, babalik kami today and magha-hike tayo. So pakita ko sa inyo yung view ngayon. Yung nakita niyong previews of videos is yun yung kahapon. So ngayon babalik tayo para mag-hike naman dun sa trail. And tignan natin kung mahirap ba siya or hindi naman. So of course before yun, kailangan mag-makeup muna tayo. Makeup muna bago mag-hike. So, andito din kami kahapon nga. Kaya lang hindi kami hindi kami naka-proper outfit. Ngayon naka-proper outfit na tayo. Kaya, we're back. Look at the view. Ooh. Oh my God, nakakatakot. B, I think matudulas ako dito. Uy, gagi pala, nakakatakot pala ito. Dahan-dahan lang, B. Look at the view. Super ganda. Sige, dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan lang. May daanan na maayos. Go, go, go. Diyos ko na to. Ay, nakakatakot to. Shit ka. Ooh, we're back. After muntik na mag-back out. So, galing tayo doon. And we're now here. So, wait lang, ano na naman yan? Diyos ko, tingnan nyo naman para ka malalaglag sa bangin. Ooh. Super ganda. But also nakakatakot. Uy! Puta. Grabe. Tingnan yung tabi ko. Oh my God. B, wait lang. Ayoko ng ganito. Diyos ko, nasa gilid ako ng bangin. Nagsishake yung legs ko, gagi. It's too high. My God. Ito kami galing sa pinakataas. Tingnan niyo naman yung hagdan. B. Chloe, hi. We made it! Ang taas! Ito kami galing sa pinakataas. Ay! Ang problema, ayoko nang bumalik pataas. Ha?
Okay, right?
Hindi.
It's okay.
Pinaproblema ko na agad bakit pataas. Doon kami galing dun.
That's okay.
It's not. Kung may daan dyan sa gilid, dyan na lang. Ganda. Parang there's no other way pabalik ata. Kasi napapalibutan siya ng bundok. So no choice ako kundi umakyat ulit dyan. Ang taas. Oh my God. Doon kami galing. Super taas. Ganda. Super ganda. Chloe! Tingnan natin doon sa dulo kung ano meron.
Walang ibang way, babe. That's the only way out. Wag ka na.
Kung may residential doon, may kiusap ako.
No.
Kakatok. Ang taas eh.
Let's come out here.
What's that? Oh. Ganda ng sand. Yes. So update, feeling namin may ibang way palabas. Ayun na, may nakikita kami doon na ibang way palabas. Kasi ayaw na namin dumaan sa dinaanan namin kanina. Nakakatakot. Ang ganda nito oh. Ang ganda. Grabe. Ay, tingnan mo, may bahay dun, oh. Grabe yung view niya, no? Tingnan mo naman kung dyan bahay mo. So, ayun yung way na nahanap namin. Tingnan natin kung may daan dun. Grabe, may bahay dun sa taas. Sino man kaya nakatira dyan? Ang ganda ng view. Yes.
Yeah,
So,
why not?
natin ay...
This way. This way. Yan nga yung pathway.
Saan? Ayan.
What do you say, Clara?
How are you feeling, huh? You like it?
Are you
You gonna do it again? You don't wanna do it again? Why?
That's so fun.
What are you hiding?
That's more relaxing.
Seashell. We're gonna go back dun sa nilakaran natin.
No, there's another way. That's way. They're right there. You see it, Tommy? Sabi na lang.
Ano yan? Masama ba yun?
Sunlight.
We're almost done. Malapit kami dun sa nakikita naming daanan. Medyo hindi nakakatakot. Yung isang pathway. May patag siya na daan. Ayan siya. Right there. Patingin! Oo, nakakatakot yung itsura. Wait lang.
No,
Ayan yan.
touch it.
No.
It doesn't put it on the shelf.
You might get infected.
No, there's a lot of them coming.
Wag na, Bi.
No? Because it's too hard. It has to be doon sa may tubig. No.
Go!
It's so hard.
Let's go. Mayroon pang may dalang motor.
There's a bike.
Oh, e-bike. Ay, aray. Madadapa pa.
This time you gotta hold my hands. Oh, my God. I'm scared. Yeah.
Oh, this is the not so scary way. We made it! Woo! We found another way! Na hindi nakaka...
Video ako.
Ayan ah. Hindi siya nakakatakot. Uy, no running! Puro sand yung paa mo.
Look at my shoes. It's so wet.
Ibilad mo sa araw yan sa labas. Sa backyard. Oo, di pala tayo sure na hindi siya nakakatakot.
Pero cave to.
Pero pataas. Oh my God, nakakatakot naman. Huh? As gusto ko yung ganitong daan na. Kasi yung kanina. Ay, laki pala ng daan na dito. Ayun, tingnan mo. May daan pa papunta na sa bahay. Ayun yung famous na bahay sa TikTok. Chloe.
It's famous.
Hindi ko naamoy. back to get another fish.
Ooh,
Ito, buy 3, get 1 free. A shrimp! Chloe, look! There's a shrimp! Tingnan niyo.
Huwag yan, maliit.
Please, I can't see him.
Chloe, buhatin mo, Shabi. Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na. There's a shrimp. Wait lang. You need to see the shrimp.
Wow, it's blue. That are the most rarest shrimp everywhere. Yeah. Poison.
Ito, mix and match. Ang cute nito, ang liliit.
Bato goldfish yun. Hindi yan pwede.
No, we can't get a goldfish. Buy 3, get 1 free.
Mom, where's Mom? Okay.
Ito yung mga totoong plants. Yes, dito.
How did they get this?
Colorful masyado.
Ang ganda nga eh. Neon.
Oh,
Mahal.
I saw Mimo. I saw Mimo. Mimo's right here, Mimo.
Nemo. Ang cute. Wala, ang mahal niya.
That is Nemo.
49 isa.
Clownfish.
Oh, it's so
Wala.
Oh,
Expensive.
starfish.
Oh, Dory. Dory is here. The blue one.
I saw starfish, Mom.
It's a lobster pala and it's $24.99. Ooh.
We're looking at that.
Hey, Mr. Fishy. Ano?
A fly. A dental worm.
Ooh, are you happy na?
Yeah.
Fishy.
Do they